Hi, I'm Shar. This is Phil, and we're Y2V.
Y2V is a nonprofit renovation and restoration organization that travels all over the country with RVers like you to help out our park systems and other nonprofits that are out there.
As of May 2024, we have done 40 projects in 26 states and put in over 51,000 hours.
It's a blast. Take a look at some of the work that we've done over the last 4 years. All right, do these small clips interest you maybe?
We'd really love for you to join us. If you're interested, go to our website, ayeartovolunteer.com, click on the upcoming tab, and it'll show you where we're going and what we're doing. Fill out an application or send us an email.
We totally want you to come because you'll make friends for life. You'll find each other all across the country. We're creating this web of Y2Vers that cross the whole country and see each other in super remote places, and it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's a blast. So we look forward to hearing from you.
See you later.